Good morning, it's Monday, and that means that week number 2 starts today, week number 2 of our trip. Today we will drive to Ninh Binh, from Hanoi to Ninh Binh. Let's get the luggage and catch the bus. Let's go. So we made it to Ninh Binh. We needed just a bit more than an hour. The driver was really quick. He drove really fast, so we were faster here. It was a bit scary how he drove, but yeah, we made it. And now we'll show you our hotel. Unfortunately, we can't check in yet, because check-in is at 2 p.m. and now we have 10 a.m. So we have to wait a bit, but that's not a big deal. We want to eat some breakfast or lunch, and yeah, decided to explore the city a bit, and after that we come back.
Shades of blue, the breeze is gentle, the world feels right, and my heart is glowing with morning light. It's a beautiful day, I'm grateful to be alive and free, just being me. Thank you, Lord, for all I see, for love, for peace, for family. No rush, no race, just breathing slow. The flowers bloom and blessings grow. I see the smiles, I feel the grace in every moment, in every place. It's a beautiful day, I'm grateful to be alive and free, just be.
After our delicious lunch, we decided not to check into the hotel straight away, but to make our way directly to Trang An. Trang An is one of the most famous sites and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A boat trip here is like traveling through a painting. Enjoy a relaxed ride with us through the limestone gorges. As you may know, Storm Yagi raged across Vietnam at the beginning of September 2024 and caused a lot of destruction. Here in Trang An, the rivers overflowed and the visit was not possible for some time. Nevertheless, we decided to visit Ninh Binh. Luckily for us, the boat tours were reopened at the day, even though one route was still closed. Even though the passages through the tunnels are already very narrow, we had to make ourselves even smaller due to the water level. So before you decide to visit Trang An, check what the weather has been like recently, as some or all of the routes may be closed if there is a lot of rain and the water level is high.
Ich habe gar nichts reingeschmissen.
After the 3-hour boat tour, it's time to head back to the city and experience Ninh Binh by night. A stroll along the promenade and some delicious food are of course a must.
Chiều mơ xa xôi về nơi phương trời xa, với bước chân nhẹ nhàng ta bước qua từng cánh hoa nở rộ màu xanh xanh mênh mang. Trên con đường đang chờ đợi mình bước tới, vào những đêm trong sáng soi bước chân ta. Trên con đường mơ ước ta bước đi xa, hòa theo tiếng ca hát vang khúc ca. Ta bay lên ngàn sao như muốn chạm tới mây. Trong lòng ta niềm vui hạnh phúc như mơ, không gian rộng lớn mời gọi ta đi xa. Ngao du cùng gió, cùng nắng và cùng mây, trên con đường hạnh phúc ta vui đùa bay cao.
Everything around the Ho Kỳ Lân shines in beautiful lights. The der.haidang are really impressive. The golden glow of the two temples is a great scene. Connected by a footbridge, both can be visited free of charge, outside and inside. Sitting there in this sea of lights with delicious food and cold drinks has a special ambition.
Vào những ngày đẹp trời hát lên khúc ca, mang theo ước mơ bay lên như là điều thần kỳ. Nào du cùng nhau trên con đường xa xôi, hát vang niềm vui hòa mình vào khung cảnh mới. Dòng đầy đẹp trời hát lên khúc ca, mang theo ước mơ bay lên như là điều thần kỳ. Nào du cùng nhau trên con đường xa xôi, hát vang niềm vui hòa mình vào khung cảnh mới. Giấc mơ xa xôi ngày mai đã gọi ta cùng nhau đi trên con đường ngao du. Bước chân vững vàng không sợ gì trước mắt, vì niềm tin và hy vọng luôn đồng hành bên ta. Giấc mơ xa xôi ngày mai đã gọi ta cùng nhau đi trên con đường ngao du.
So that's our day. Thank you for watching and see you next time.